Come test drive the 2013 300C. The Chrysler 300C is one of the last of the big, powerful rear-wheel drive American four-door sedans. A car for the open road and a long highway. It has great styling, impressive handling, and pavement-eating performance. It's smooth, luxurious, quiet, comfortable, and everything a top-ended American four-door sedan should be, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.